We're gonna pray to the stars that it gets a little bit cooler because it's 101 degrees in Los Angeles right now. Astro arms. We're not doing them yet though, we're just waiting and looking cool, so just pose like Aphrodite. Astro arms. Reach, front, step, and sit. Up, and switch. One more time. God, you look so sexy. Speed this up now.
What's your sign? I'm Kylie, use Gemini.
I'm a Pisces.
Let me buy. You had me when you said hi. Hi.
Rock! You're rocking, but you're shy. You're not shy anymore. Scorpio, here we go. Yes! Pisces, fish. Cancer, crab, single, double. Libra, scale. Ha! Woo! Astro arms, slow. Take it back. You control the stars. Like Britney Spears in that perfume commercial. You choose your own destiny. Speed it up, let's go.
Let me know. I'm Bebe, I'm a Virgo. What's your drink? Let me buy. You had me when you said
Wave.
hi.
You're still kind of shy. You're feeling hot. Scorpio. Ha. Pisces, swim. Cancer, crab. Ha. Taurus. Take it high. Air, earth, fire, water, fast. Taurus.
I'm a Scorpio. Yeah, the sexy, jealous kind. You had me when you said hi. Hi.
Rock.